to War India News Hour. Digital technology has changed the way new drugs are developed. DX, that is digital transformation, means different things to different organizations. For some, it may mean huge investments in new technologies, while for others, it will mean strategic applications of select digital technologies in key areas of the business. However, it is important to note that improving the short and long-term capabilities of the business to enable growth and increase profit should be a common goal, and managing the inevitable changes that DX of any kind will bring is a common challenge that must be addressed through the development of a comprehensive change management program. When we talk specifically about the pharmaceutical industry, where they have extensive experience in imaging and diagnostics, they can build a platform that brings together a strong diagnostic and therapeutic core and specialized digital offerings and systematically expand it across multiple functionalities. Digital technology has considerably changed the way new drugs are developed. Evolutionary algorithms, neural networks, natural language processing, that is NLP, machine learning, that is ML, wearables and IoT optimize the workflows in pharmaceutical organizations, automating the previously routine and manual tasks and considerably speeding up drug discovery processes. NLP is focused on processing texts and natural language to infer meaning from the words and texts. NLP methods to help in evaluating the possibility of carrying out clinical trials in a specific location and finding volunteers to ensure compliance with the trial deadlines and budget. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. InMobi set to acquire social commerce firm Shop 101. InMobi, Bengaluru-based mobile and services platform, is in advanced stage talks to acquire social commerce firm Shop 101. The company has been eyeing to build a commerce layer for its products Glance and Roboso. It was in the market to acquire companies in the e-commerce space and appears that it may have found itself a deal. As per the source, InMobi would value Shop 101 in the range of $30 to $35 million, that is rupees 215 to 250 crores. Tesla Cybertruck to travel 980 kilometers on single charge and to get patent. According to Electrek, the upcoming Cybertruck could travel a maximum of 610 miles, that is around 980 kilometers, before requiring a charge. It is citing a new patent filing by the company. CEO Elon Musk claims it will be the most capable pickup truck ever and will boast of performance figures that could match sports cars. Tesla will also offer a long list of accessories and gadgets, including a retractable solar roof on the back bed to make the electric vehicle more appealing to prospective buyers. Delhi police warns users about fake ICICI webpage link. Phishing attacks have been on the rise, and every day a new scam pops up. The latest scam is targeted at ICICI Bank account holders. The scammer will send you an SMS from an unknown number claiming to be from the bank. Delhi Police's Cybersecurity Division has warned users of a fake ICICI Bank banking page link being circulated via SMS. The police said it's a phishing scam and that they are getting the link blocked. Exabeam raises $200 million valued at $2.4 billion. A Silicon Valley-based startup, Exabeam, helps companies to automate the analysis and monitoring of their cybersecurity data. It has raised $200 million in its largest round of funding, which valued the company at $2.4 billion. As per source, venture capital investment into cybersecurity has been rising fast over the years. It got an extra boost during the pandemic as remote work created extra challenges. Savix inks with Zoom to focus customer experience industry. Savix Technologies has signed an agreement with Zoom Video Communications Inc. This alliance gives Savix Technologies' extensive community of over 10,000 reseller partners access to industry-leading collaboration solutions to meet new and constantly changing customer expectations and create memorable experiences. The That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.